Hi, guys, welcome to TeleZ Updates. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Today is about a short Jodhar and Akbar update, how Ruqayya pleaded to Jalal to forgive her for her mistake, and how Rahim told Queen Salima she is a good mother. Ruqayya was in her room, sobbing. Jalal enters her room and finds her crying on the floor. Jalal, did you say you wanted to meet up with me? She gets up and walks up to Jalal. Stay there, Jalal says, and don't forget you're a criminal. Ruqayya says, I understand Jalal, my crime will not be forgotten, but what I did was out of jealousy and by accident. Jalal claims that the Mughal Sultanate is having troubles today as a result of you. My life was also in jeopardy because of you. I always forgive you because you were a childhood buddy of mine, but today you have exceeded all of your boundaries. I am not interested in seeing your face. But I came here because of Jodhar. He told her, nice Ruqayya, you shatter all of Jodhar's wishes today, and she agreed. You will always be accepted by her. She is always aware of your suffering. I am ashamed of your thoughts today. Ruqayya pleaded with Jalal at his feet. And please forgive me for the last time. This is a dream of mine that I will never realize. Please accept my apologies. How do I forgive you, Ruqayya, says Jalal. Did you realize how far you've fallen that I'm unable to save you? Prepare to go, Ruqayya, by packing your belongings. Jalal walked out of the room without paying attention to her pleas. Jalal enters the hammam. When Jodhar hears that it was Jalal, she becomes agitated and asks the maid to give her the garments. Jalal expressed his want for privacy to the maid. I am bathing, Jodhar informed Jalal. I know, says Jalal. Jodhar told him that knowing this makes her ashamed, therefore he came here. Today is a special day, Jalal told her. Jalal was informed by Jodhar. Emperor, Ruqayya will also be remembered in your heart. If I am not available today, Ruqayya will receive this. What happened to make you so quiet? He informed her that he does not want to talk about it. Jodhar enters Ruqayya's room and gives her clothes for the party. But she refused and urged her to find another queen. Queen Salima has also arrived. She also asked her to come to a halt for a celebration. Ruqayya, on the other hand, informed her that since Jalal refuses to visit her, there is no use in continuing. What am I supposed to do there? Who am I coming for? She asked Jodhar. Please accept my apologies. But I won't be able to go. Queen Salima assists Murad with his clothing. She assisted him in putting on his coat. Murad said, give it to me, and I'll wear it. But she aided him by saying, I see because of this. I'm not sure when I'll see you after this. She motioned for him to take a seat. He told her that while she was always a wonderful mother, he was never a decent son. You are always devoted and willing to assist Mughal Sultan. So, what do I do? Please pardon me, mother. She tells him not to say that. I don't know how I'll be able to live without you. For you, I cook kheer. You must have enjoyed my hand kheer. Murad was fed by her. Birbal has arrived at the vineyard to see Jodhar. Jodhar informs him of Ruqayya's condition and also informs him that the emperor cannot be happy without her, so please provide me with a solution to this situation. Birbal tells her that there is only one solution. Then make a comment to her. In Jalal's chamber, Jalal tells Jodhar that whatever Ruqayya does, he will punish her more severely than she deserves. Why don't you put your faith in my judgment that she is a criminal? Jodhar says to the emperor, I know she's committing a major crime. I am also enraged with her. But I'd like to suggest that you give her a try. I don't want to give her another chance, Jalal said, since I'd already given her so many. Before the festivities, Jodhar told the emperor that she wanted to leave Agra. Jalal became enraged with Jodhar and demanded to know why she was acting so strangely. Why do you always choose the side of Ruqayya? You go down in front of everyone because she does so many things. You also want to forgive her after that. Because I know how much she loves you, Jodhar says. So please forgive her once. No, says Jalal. I am not going to forgive her no matter what happens. You don't have the authority to punish her, says Jodhar. Because this company is managed by me. She then set fire to it all. As a result, I have the authority to punish her. So, if you want to punish her, give it to her, but don't abuse it and don't forgive her, says Jalal. If I believe you did not offer the appropriate penalty, I will continue to punish her. Jodhar tells him that she will be properly punished. You'll also get the impression that I discipline her fairly. Thanks. Guys, don't forget to like and subscribe for more updates.